Hello mga marites ni Chongde.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kaanyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about Kim Soo-yeon and Kim Ji-won. Only here on
안녕, 제가 update.
Kim Soo-yeon and Kim Ji-won suspected to be dating by netizens, but their labels refused to respond. The two lead stars of the hit K-drama series Queen of Tears have been embroiled in dating rumors due to similar social media posts. Kim Soo-yeon's most recently uploaded 4 photos on his Instagram account, but quickly deleting 3 that triggered the speculation. In the photos, Kim Soo-yeon and Kim Ji-won are wearing black outfits with similar poses. Some netizens are saying that it's just a coincidence, as black outfits are common. But some are speculating Kim Soo-yeon deleted the photos to avoid rumors that he's dating his former co-star. Gold medalist Kim Soo-yeon's agency and high entertainment studio Kim Ji-won's agency have decided not to respond, dismissing the rumors of a love scandal. That's it mga kaanyong. What can you say about this? Are you also convinced that they are dating? Comment your thoughts below.
And then please like and subscribe sa